Hi, this is a short overview of our Personal Credit Builder. Personal Credit Builder is a do-it-yourself software with several unique features for the private user and also features for the wholesaler, the person that can resell the product. For example, this area can be controlled by the wholesaler when they buy 100 or more licenses. That can control this area totally, and with a special system that will change the area in real time. And it can, so the wholesaler can have their own information here and promote other products and services, and can even link, when clicked, can be linked to another website. Three people can use the software. So usually the spouse and the person that gets the software and maybe somebody else. So it enters all the data here, Social Security, date of birth. Here can put some notes, can even link unlimited documents that the person may have here to have them handy and be able to open them, like Word documents, PDF, etc. Then the person will go into this area, Credit Repair, the user, and will click Add Dispute. Enter the creditor, can even suggest the creditor, and the program will suggest the different addresses, etc. from the big database of creditors. Put the account number, then the dispute type. Notice that these two fields are empty now. I'm going to select the type charge off. So it put the reason and the template to be used automatically. Then if this derogatory is in the three bureaus, well, just click the number 3 and it's assigned to Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. If it was only to one, it would be selected. If it's two, can be deleted, the other one. Let's do another quick example here. I'm going to put typing too fast. Home Depot, for example. Okay, and I'm going to put 222. In this case, I'm going to select late payment, 3 bureaus again. And the last one, I'm going to do capital 1, capital 1, and I'm going to put 233. Dispute type, let's say that is a collection. Same thing here. Okay, so we have this only. So now the user have the option, so you see that the reasons are assigned automatically, the letters, etc. The user have the option to mark the ones that he wants to dispute, or select groups, or even do them all at the same time. I'm going to put them all at the same time in this case. So I'm going to click Set Groups. I'm going to say all, and I have the groups already, so I can print them. It's as simple as that. In this case, I'm going to print to, I'm going to do selected. I could do also the print marked, the ones that have been selected. So I'm going to, the ones that have been marked here. So I'm going to do selected. I'm going to put 2 lines. Everything I'm going to print to the screen, so can be seen right now. So here we have the 3 letters. Okay. So actually in this case, because it's a screen printer, so it's printing the 3 letters one by one. I mean the 3, the Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So here we have the 3 letters, right? And this will be equivalent to being printed right now to the printer. And then here we have some instructions, and notice that the status becomes in progress automatically, and also the overdue date, this is the overdue date, is already set to 45 days, and the round date here to the number that we have here, 30 days. And also, other things that we can do is to print envelopes. So we can print real envelopes, we can print labels, the user can also print insert paper, which is very easy, and it will insert, and it will have a paper that can be folded and be folded into or cut because it has a line here that is invisible now, but it has a line, so it's possible to print those inserts for the double window envelope. So once we have that, we wait. I mean, the user waits until comes the round date or until they start receiving the responses. And then we have another big feature for the user, which is very simple. And that is, for example, this one was deleted. They will put it as deleted. This one was updated. Was put it as updated. Let's say that the third one was verified. Well, in that case, if the third one is verified, so we check the third one here, it's as simple as clicking the next letter here. Okay, so you see, I'm going to click, and now this one put no change and a to do. But not only that, but also change the letter automatically to the next letter. So it cannot be simpler than that. In this case, it's a verification of procedure. So this would be the second round. If it was the third round, for example, let's say in another month, whatever, so we're going to click again. And as you can see, the letter changed and also the description changed. In this case, you see in bold letters that we are disputing the account number. Or we're challenging the validity of the account number. And you see some garbage because it's a spinner system that will create unique letters to prevent detection by the OCR of the credit bureaus. And then, well, that will be third round, and then we can click again, and it will be a different thing. In this case, we will be disputing the amount past due, that you can see in big letters, in capital letters, and so on and so forth. So you can have essentially multiple rounds, and so this one will be the creditor's name, etc., etc. So that's it. It's as simple as that. It's simply a user only needs to click the next letter, can select or not the letters that he wants to dispute, and that's pretty much everything, or at least the main things. And here the user can enter, for example, privacy guard and the username, whatever, and then set the password, and then he can go to log if he's using privacy guard, if he's using a different credit bureau, credit sectoral, Equifax, whatever. It doesn't matter. Can change the password to enter into the system for privacy. And also, we have a special feature for wholesalers that want to coach the client and maybe charge more. Well, hopefully. We have a feature that if the client clicks here, well, it goes here, right? But if the wholesaler has a special trick here, that when he clicks and it comes here, so that wholesaler can actually import the credit report automatically and create all the disputes automatically, essentially with 2 clicks. Well, 3 because you need to go to the area, but actually 2 clicks only, and that will be pasting and extracting, and it will assign everything totally automated. Well, that's what I have for you today. This is a simple overview of the Personal Credit Builder.